Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Daman here again today doing the another review video is for DriveZ Presso. Okay, so in this video I will show you our DriveZ Presso. I'll show you the members area, take you to the sales page, and show you the my custom made bonuses which I specially created for you. Okay, and so please make sure just to be stick around to the end, and the also please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and notification bell. Okay, and please give a thumbs up to this video and say hello in the comment section. Okay, so what's the DriveZ Presso? So basically the DriveZ Presso is a cloud-based storage solution that allows you to save the files online and access them from anywhere, from any smartphone or the tablets or from your computer. Even you can use the DriveZ Presso on your computer or mobile device, or you can securely upload the files and edit them online. Okay, so in nutshell, the DriveZ Presso also makes it easy for others to edit and collaborate on the files. Okay, so now let's go, and I will firstly show you to the members area. So here as you can see, this is the members area for the DriveZ Presso. This is the dashboard here, and I will come back to this. Okay, and then this is the sales page here, and let's go to first my bonuses which I've specially created for you. So as the DriveZ Presso is going to be launched tomorrow, which is for May 17. Okay, and whoever is taking this DriveZ Presso by my link, I will be giving them very custom made amazing bonuses which I specially created for you. Okay, so the bonus number one, which is for value $427, so which is Lazy Traffic Sniper. So it will be available only for the first 12 hours only, so this is a very good deal. So basically this is a Lazy Traffic Sniper. Let me quickly show you. This is the software and the video training which was launched by the Zono Armstrong. It's, I think, maybe recently, just maybe 2 weeks back. Okay, so this is a Lazy Traffic Sniper, the dashboard. Inside you can see here all these tabs which will give you the training if you will click here. And this one, Lazy Traffic Sniper, basically is about how to get the traffic. Okay, this is more about the traffic, how to get the traffic from the Quora. And here is all there is a video steps. Okay, which will go to the step by step. So in this one, the Betty, she will just talks about and gives you all this training. Okay, so this was the bonus number one, and it is available only for first 12 hours. Okay, and the bonus number two, this is for Bing ads. Get traffic to your pages using Bing ads. This is the the video tutorial by the Jono Armstrong. Basically in this video he will show you the basics of using the Bing ads to which will help you to build your email list. Okay, and the bonus number three, which is for $345, get the traffic to your pages using your YouTube ads. So in this one, the Jono will gives you the hacks just to get the traffic by using the YouTube ads. Okay, we'll explain about that. Bonus number four is Enigma. Enigma is get the traffic to your pages using Enigma Pro. Enigma is another software which was released by the Jono Armstrong, and this is also will basically tells you how you can get more traffic from the Facebook. Okay, so these all was the bonuses, and the bonus number five, this is for you can access all vendor bonuses, and I will show you in the sales page where this all vendor bonuses and what are those. And again, if you like this one, this sound is interesting to you, then you can either click here to secure your copy and bonuses, or you can click the button below now to claim your free insane bonus package before the countdown times hit 0. Or again, this my free insane bonuses will be available whoever is picking the DriveZ Presso via my link which I have given below in the YouTube description. Okay, so now let's see what it is DriveZ Presso. Basically this DriveZ Presso, it is cloud-based app which will give you cloud-based storage, which will give you the unlimited cloud storage for life at an unbeatable one-time price. Okay, so again the clock is ticking. It's going to be launched tomorrow, May 17. Okay, so this DriveZ Presso is a cloud-based storage solution that allows you to save files online and access them anywhere from any smartphone, tablets or computer. You can use DriveZ Presso on your computer, mobile device to securely upload files and edit them, and it also make it easy for others to edit and collaborate the files. So these are the prices. The front end price is $19. Okay, so the another good thing is front end price is $19. Okay, so when you will go to the sales page, okay, so this is the sales page here. When you will open the sales page, then it will give you the pops up will come, which will give you the $5, I think it's the $5, maybe $5 discount, okay, from the $19. Okay, so I'm not, let me see how many. I want to just quickly check it about the how much was the discount, how much the pop-ups coming. Okay, just quickly, just be with me.
Do you ever wish you could just store all your files?
Okay, yes, here. So yes, I was right. So this is a $5 discount. So this one is $19. So then it will be for $14. Okay, so in $14 you will get the front end $14, this app, and then the plus you will get my amazing custom made bonuses, which is having the video training done by the Zono Armstrong, then other softwares and the tutorial, and all the custom vendor bonuses. Okay, which is amazing, sounds amazing. Okay, so let's take this one. Okay, so this is the sales page here. So here wave goodbye to basically headaches and overpriced monthly fees. So what is inside? You can store, host, share, backup all your files for a low and one-time investment. Never worry about the storage restrictions again. Instantly share files for easy collaboration. 100% newbie friendly, easy to use dashboard, no technicals required. Host videos and images on your websites with lightning fast upload speed. Ultimate privacy and protection with end-to-end SSL encryption. Access your files from anywhere and skyrocket your business efficiency with all files stored in one central location. Cancel Dropbox, Google Drive, Vista and Vimo today and start saving. Oh, okay, cool, wow. So you can just do all the storage and everything in the DriveZ Presso, which in the members area, which it will show you. So only pay once and get the lifetime storage, no limit and no restrictions. So that is so cool. So basically, like those are having a businesses, they need the space, okay, for to storage. So even to me also, I'm just paying for the Dropbox for annually. So with this DriveZ Presso, you can do the good saving. So only pay once and get lifetime storage and 30 days money back guarantee. This is basically, I love it. Okay, so here when you will go to the sales my bonus page, and if you think okay you want to try, because this is incredible a good deal in $19, and you will get $5 discounts, $14 you're getting the DriveZ Presso, and plus you're getting my amazing bonuses. Okay, so when you will click here, then this will brings you to the sales page, then you will click here, then you will get the instant access. Okay, so lifetime storage special offer, and transfer your files in minute, never pay in another overpriced cloud storage fees again. So what you have to do is you have to step 1, locate the files you would like to store on DriveZ Presso. Choose as many as files you would like to remember. There is no storage limit. That is so cool, I love it. And step 2, drag and drop. So all your files you can arrange, then you can just drag it and you can just save it there. Okay, and the step 3, and access all your files from one easy central location. Find any files in seconds and save precious time. Rest easy knowing all your important data is backed up and protected from prying eyes. I love it. I think this is a really good deal. Okay, and you will also free up more times for by no time wasted, no storage, full headache, no payment like monthly, just only one time. And these are some testimonial those who have tried it. Okay, and I want to show you now. So grab DriveZPresso now and save. Okay, they said today is the 17, only one time. I want to show you. Okay, they said if you will take that DriveZ Presso for unlimited storage and plus video hosting means, then you don't have to pay for Dropbox, no Google Drive, no Vimo, no OneDrive, Amazon and Vista. This is really cool. I really love it because as in the small business world we have lots of like files and media files and videos which we need it, and it needs space for storage. Okay, so this is a very good software cloud app. So just in three simple steps which I already showed you, I want to show you now the vendor bonuses. Okay, so your file will be safe here. Join the future of cloud storage. Okay, so there's so many information. Just go through with all the information basically. What are the important that I'm just telling you. Okay, here, so get when you will get the DriveZ Presso, and you will get my custom made bonuses which I have shown you here, these all, and then the plus you will get the vendor bonuses which is here. Get these three bonuses which is worth almost around 3,000 for free only when you log in your spot today. So bonus number one is affiliate booster. So turn blog post into affiliate profit machine in a second. A great design and user experience gives sites visitors confidence in your recommendation. 7 different attention grabbing options for drawing attention to your affiliate offer. No coding required. Again, the value is $19. So for today, if you will buy this one, and in 19 plus you will get $5 pop-up discounts, $14. In $14 you will get the DriveZ Pressos just one time, and then you will get these vendor amazing bonuses. Bonus number 2, live chat bot plugin. What you will get inside: automate your website sales process with this live chat bot, and that does the hard work for you. Offer personalized recommendation and support to customers and make more sales. Customize board sequences for any affiliate offer. Turn casual visitors into excited buyers. Zero technical experience required. Bonus number 3, affiliate boosters. Again, draw attention to high paying affiliate offers with customizable pops up. Increase the profit you see from each visitors to your site. Like chat fuel for growing your email list. The email list is basically everything, and this is integrated with all major email marketing system. Brain dead simple even if you are tech illiterate. Okay, so these are amazing. So let's go and see the prices. So as I have told you, the front end price for DriveZ Presso is $19. OTO 1 is $47, and OTO 2, which is for $67. OTO 3 $97. OTO 4 $97. OTO 5 is $197. I actually I don't have enough information about what they're giving in OTO 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so basically in the front end in $19, this is a really good deal. And here's some other benefits which you may be interested in getting. You will get unlimited lifetime storage for super low one-time investment. Replace Dropbox and Vimo. House all your important files, lightning fast files and transfer speeds. Okay, so now let's quickly watch this demo video. Okay.
Hello everyone, welcome to DriveZ Presso demo video. DriveZ Presso is a cloud-based storage solution that allows you to save files online and access them anywhere from any smartphone, tablet or computer. You can use DriveZ Presso on your computer or mobile device to securely upload files and edit them online. DriveZ Presso also make it easy for others to edit and collaborate on files. This is the DriveZ Presso dashboard interface. You will be able to edit your profile and change your password from the profile section. In this section, you will be able to see your uploaded files. In this section, you will get files if anyone share with you anything. In the recent section, you will get all the files that you have worked on recently. In the shared section, you will get all star marked files. In the trash section, you will get all deleted files. If you want, you can delete them permanently, or you can restore them again. You will be able to create new folder from here. After creating the folder, you can upload this kind of files: images, audio file, video file, PDF file, text document like Word file and Excel file, and zip file. Video file must be MP4 format and audio file must be MP3 format. You can share those files by shareable link. Also, you can set the expiration date, password protection, edit access, and download access. You will be able to create new workplace for yourself or your member and share with them the access from here. The main benefit of DriveZ Presso is unlimited cloud storage forever. Set it and forget it. Thank you.
Okay, so this was the demo video about the DriveZ Presso, which is available here on my bonus page here. So again, if you want to go there, just click here and you can just rewatch it. So, and again, this was, I have shown you, this is the same thing which we showed you in the demo video. So this is a members area. Here's all files shared with me, recent, started, and trash. If you will click here, you can upload your files, can click here to create new folders, and here it shows you how much storage you have used it. And so here, as you can see, you can make the separate folders. For example, this folder is for the YouTube videos. You can make for the media another separate folder for Microsoft Word, Excel. So like for images, like this is a whatever is as per your need, you can just make separate folder and just can just keep it in the one place. Okay, so again, so basically I really like it, this one, the DriveZ Presso. So this was the amazing cloud app storage. My recommendation is I really like it and love it, and with this one I don't have to be pay for the Dropbox and for the Google Drives and this and that. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching my review, and I really appreciate your time. And again, don't forget to hit the like button and say hello in the comment. And if you have any question, leave the questions in the comment section.